What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Back in Northern California. First time I've ever been at this Nike outlet in San Jose. Just opened within the last 5 minutes. 51st different Nike outlet that I visited for the channel. And this one's got a nice little heat wall. Okay. It is interesting because you do get full box, but it looks like it's a replacement box. That's what it looks like. Do got some dunks right here. Smaller dunks. Really good material though. Yeah. 135. These are 6.5 men's. These, I guess these are both women's and, I guess this area is women's and men's. Got some bigger Jordan 2s. Regular dunks. I thought these were the SBs. No, these are the regular ones. 150 for the women's. Reverse laneys. These are 6. Curious to see what these are going for. 145 with the replacement box. What size? Like 13. Yep. Got mids. Got some 2s right here for 130. More of these 2s discounted to 120. Got highs, lows. Got these bad boys right here. I think it's the one with the 3M, right? Yeah, it does have the 3M on it. And yeah, 135 for these. Women's size 12. I know these were women's. More 2s. Tons of 2s. I got these ones right here. These are size 9 women's. 180. But 20% off for all this. Not bad. 20% off the heat wall's pretty dope. Not the craziest items though. Alright, let's check out the back wall. 20% off the back wall too. Why is this in the men's? This is a men's size 4. Really? 125. Another size 4.5 right here. Alright. These are some Jordan 5 golfs. The colorway is freaking dope. 155. Alright, back to some of the regular sizes. Size 8 right here. $50. No? Then I guess you get 20% off. Better than nothing. 110 for the Scorpions. ECGs right here. Mountain Fly 2 lows go for 100. More Scorpions right here, 200. Jordan 1 low go for right here, $100. That's not bad. That's not bad. So $80 after a discount. Got the faux gator skin right there. Center courts right here. $100. Jordan 6 infrared golf. $150. 100 for the dunks. LeBron next gen. These are size 10 though. $110. I guess we're in the size 10s. I see some 9.5s. 115 for the mid dunks right here. Like corduroy. It's kind of interesting. I don't think it's corduroy actually. It's like denim. It's like, I don't know. That's weird. Khaki denim? I don't know. But yeah, 115. Vapor Max going for 180. 10.5, 110 for these. Forces right here. All white with the nylon mesh going for 110. Some Jaws right here. This is, I think, the best colorway of the Jaw ones. Chinese New Year colorway. That blue and gold. It's pretty dope. It's actually pretty dope. Best colorway I've seen, in my opinion. It does have the Chinese writing in the insole. But yeah, $100 for these, not bad. Size 10 for those. Seen these in a size 11. These are the candy corn SB dunk highs. People weren't digging these too much. Yeah, they're just getting a little too creative, and I don't know, I'm just not digging that colorway. Materials, pretty decent. A decent 125 for these size 11s. Size 8 sprinting cleats, Zoom Victory EKs 150. Does have Zoom Air on those. KDs 16s down to $80. Holy cow, that is cheap as hell. Infinity to run 4s, still go for 110. Not worth showing. Like a Tiffany inspired Victory Tour Golf 180. Some next gens right here, all patent leather. One of the newer colorways. But yeah, 120. That's actually not bad. That's actually not bad, especially since this is one of the newest colorways. Size 12 Jordan One Mid Crafts 120. I don't even think I've seen those anywhere. Metcon 8's going for hella cheap, $65. ACG, Air DeSchultz. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're going for 55. That's way too much for Jesus slides. Air Max, the 90s right here. Nike by You, size 13. 150. The full amount though. Full amount on these Pythons too. 175. GT Jump 2's All-Star Weekend colorway. That's actually a pretty dope colorway, but 190. Size 13 finally finding some decent deals. 160 for the infrared white Jordan 7s. Nike by You Cortez right here. Yeah, never seen these. Nike by Pedro. Men's 12 go for 90. Size 14 for Big Feet Gang. Air Force Ones go for 90. 120 for the Infinity Run 4s. Got Jordan 28s right here. 120. I've never even seen this colorway. Does look like it's been worn, so it was a return. But 120 is still a solid price. That's under $100 after the discount. Lakers colorway size 13s, $90 for those. That's a good deal. Size 15 women's go for 90. No extra discount on apparel. I guess this is going to be quick. But do see, Colts jersey. Carson Wentz. That fool hasn't been there in a while, hasn't it? That fool ain't been there in a minute, right? It's $80. Those are mediums. No sale, but the prices seem pretty decent. ACG. Oh, never mind. This one's not a bad t-shirt. 31 instead of 60. It's a long sleeve shirt. Let's see what's up with this Tech fleece right here. 110 for that. So slight discount. Normal like 160, I think. More Tech fleece right here. $80. So slight discounts. Okay. Syracuse hoodie. This is a large. Going for 65. Dang. Feels premium. More Tech fleece right here. Where's the tag though, doggy? No tag on this one. Man, I really like the newer Tech fleece. I need to get some eventually. Is that a Nike work shirt? Like a mechanic shirt or something? $70, double XL. Black cement jacket. This is a small though. $80. This one feels nice too. For the soccer fans, look at this. Look at this. PSG Jordan jersey right here. $95. Oh, 95. So it's normally 105 down to 95. This has to have been a return, right? WSSU? I don't know who that is. One of the universities, $90 for those. Baggy khakis, extra baggy khakis, or my bad, chinos going for 65. What'd you folks call me? What'd you call me? Oh, sure. But yes, SBs right here, $65. Some more like super baggy, like khaki type of pants, right? No extra clearance discounts here. And running shirts as well. All right, let's go check out the aisles. Checking out the aisles, and we're seeing the omnipresent KD 5.9s. And the 10s have been out for a minute, so I'm sure they're going to start showing up. They're going to drop the price on these. Immortality 2s. I'm sure the 3s are going to make their ways here soon. Zoom Freak 5s. Been seeing these. This one must have just gotten here. This one been here for a minute. Witness 7s. Been seeing these here for a minute. Not necessarily here, but every other outlet. Got Cosmic Unity 2s. Couple of Hyper Dunks from 2017. I guess they re-released these, I guess. Yeah, re-released in 2023. I wasn't aware of that. Just saw them at the outlets all of a sudden. Jordan Take 2s. So they used to be called the Westbrook Take 1s, as you can see right here. And then I guess they took Westbrook's name off of it. What the hell? But still has his logo. Okay, so the Jordan Westbrook Take 2s, I guess. Then the ones, then all of the Team J's that I don't know the name of. I do know that one. Max R's 2021s, and then fadeaways, I guess. Always See Blazers. Green on sale for these. Roshi 1s. That used to be one of Nike's best-selling shoe at one time. What was that, like 7-8 years ago? No, Airspan 2s. Air Max 2017s in all the colorways that we've seen at the Nike outlets. Air Max 95s, Air Max Plus. I did forget to show you guys these right here. Jordan 1 highs right here, no extra discounts. 13 slightly discounted. Nothing running shoes, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, I guess. The Vomero 16s right here with the Zoom X. But other than that, nothing much. Alright, I'm not really familiar with the layout of this store since it's the first time I've been here, but I know to look around. And they got some interesting stuff over here. Behind the register, look at this. Look at this. I don't think the stuff here's on sale. They got Unions. They got Union 2s right there, $225. They got Jordan 1 Heritage, size 8, size 10. Jordan 3 Crafts right here. They got the Brazils. Got the Brazil Dunks right there. They got a few other things. This is definitely interesting. They got a 4Y of the Jordan 4 Breads. They got some interesting stuff here. I haven't seen too many places with heat walls and then extra wall like this. It's kind of interesting. And then 50% off pick of the week. Oh man, we're gonna have to look at this. Look at this Purdy jerseys. It does have that Super Bowl logo. That does kind of piss me off because, damn, we blew it, dog. We blew it. The Niners blew it. Makes me depressed to think about it, but dope to see freaking Purdy jerseys. Oh, they got Ayuk jerseys too. I like the fact that they're black. Pretty fire. $150. So $70 for these jerseys, and they got plenty of sizes. Ayuk. So Purdy, Purdy, they got medium, right? Oh no, that's an Ayuk jersey. So Purdy's, they just have XLs and stuff. Oh, they got larger here too. Okay. They got sizes. They got a Purdy. I was like, this is a women's Purdy jersey right here. They all have that Super Bowl logo. Pisses me off. Yeah, it has the Super Bowl logo, NFC Champs one right here. Is this a Warner jersey? Ooh, I might have to grab this, but has that on it. But I do love the fact that it's a Warner jersey. Fred Warner, one of my favorite linebackers of all time. That fool was sick. Just don't like the fact that it has that Super Bowl jersey, Super Bowl thing. Like I said, it makes me sad. This is sad. How much is this? Yeah, this one's slightly damaged. Probably why it's here, but dang it. I don't want one that's damaged. I definitely don't want one that's damaged. I wonder if I could fix that. Paint over it? Man, I ain't never gonna paint over that. What the hell am I talking about? Kind of like this one too. $75 after the discount. $150. I don't know. That Super Bowl logo kind of makes me sad. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'll be sad every time I even wear these. Dang it. Is that a cop for you guys? Is that a not? I'm not talking about like whether you're a Niner fan. I'm just talking about like if you guys lost the Super Bowl and there's a Super Bowl logo on it, would you guys get it? I don't think I can. It's gonna piss me off every time I wear it. But yeah, I got sweats going for $15. They got shorts right here. I don't really see the craziest deals other than those jerseys. All right, gonna check out the women's section real quick before I head out. Every Nike outlet seems to have an influx of those. Air Max 2017s, multiple colorways, 270s. So it looks like these are just coming to the outlets. That's why they're always full price. And they'll have to drop these eventually, because we've been even seeing these at the retail shops for a discount. Weather definitely different out in NorCal. So the Air Max Theas, probably way more useful out here. Woodside Chukkas, definitely a lot more useful out here. Got a couple of Air Forces that nobody wants. Like awful colorways. That's it, man. Then they got some running shoes, not even like the great ones. They got some Infinity Run Flyknit 3s, go for $80. But that's about it, yo. They do have these, even with the OG box. And I guess I didn't check this out right here. Do you got the Jordan 1s? They have a lot of J's here. And with the heat wall, with that second heat wall, they got some stuff here. This spot ain't bad. I think most spots are like that, but this spot not bad, especially with that extra heat wall. This is all the grade school stuff right here. Not seen too much. You do got one of the grade school exclusive colorways of the Jaw ones right here. Little barbecue stuff right there. It's pretty funny. Garages right here. Air Max 90s. 270 goes with the extra fat air unit right there. Some soccer cleats. 2 trays. A couple of those. Got some Pro Strongs. And that's pretty much about it. Not bad. Not bad. I'm hoping to get at least 4 videos from here. Well, here in Northern California, I'm going to be driving around quite a bit. Couple Nike outlets, couple of malls, hopefully. We'll see what happens. But yeah, make sure you guys help a boy up. Make sure you press that like button if you're new, subscribe. And yeah, driving an Altima. I'll show you guys the Altima. And thanks for supporting, you guys. We out. Jen Korean Barbecue. It's all you can eat Korean barbecue. I freaking love that spot. I wish I had time today, man. God dang it. But I have to hit up as many shops as I can for y'all, man. Dang it. All right, out in Oakland. I think this is what I'm driving. I think this is it. Nissan Altima. Overpaid for this, man. I screwed up on my reservation. Accidentally got an EV. Yeah, 125. This is it. This is it. I don't think I've ever rented an Altima. Haven't been in the inside of an Altima. Well, this is not bad. This is not bad at all, you guys. Not bad at all. Where the hell's the push button? Isn't there a push button or something? What the hell? The hell? What the hell? Am I lost? Oh, there it is. It's pretty loud for a new car, but yeah, not bad, dude.